Today's topic is face value and place value. So we're going to see the first face value. What is the face value? Face value means it is the value of digit itself. It is the value of digit itself, irrespective of its position. So irrespective of its position. Okay, for example, if a number is given, let's take an example 1. Okay, so let's take one number 7342. Okay, 7342. So what is the face value? Okay, it is a value of digit itself irrespective of its position. So wherever it is present in the given series or given number, okay, the 7, what is the face value of 7 itself. What is the face value of 3 itself. What is the face value of 4 itself. What is the face value of 2 itself. That means wherever the value is might be present in the given number, it the same thing, like face value is nothing but is the digit itself irrespective of the position. That means see 7000, it is in thousands position, even though its face value is 7 only. It is 3. Okay, it is in 100 position, even though its face value is 3. Okay, and again 4 is in tens position. So irrespective of the place, 4 itself, that is for 4 face value is 4 itself. For 2 the face value is 2 itself. Okay, in this way we'll going to find out the what is the face value. Just remember, face value is nothing but a digit itself, that is nothing but irrespective of the face. For example, if you look at the place value, okay, when the places are changes in a given number, the value will going to get changes here. Like see, in place of 7 I replace 2, in the place of 2 I have replaced the 7. No, it is in now 7 will going to become units place and 2 will going to come in a thousands place. That is the position. Okay, but in the face value, wherever the value is present, wherever the number is present in the given position, okay, now the face value itself is nothing but a same, that is itself. Next one is place value. Place value is, it is a value of a digit. It is a value of digit. It is a value of a digit according to its position. In the previous example, irrespective of the position, but here according to the position. Okay, if the position changes, its value will change. Its value will change. Let's take an example 1. Okay, we'll take the same example. What happens? 7342. Now we know that the 2 is in units place, okay, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place, and 7 is in thousands place. So in this place, okay, now so these are the places. If I change from 2 to 7 and 7 to 2 places, that is if I swap these two numbers, what happens? See, it is in 7000, but if I change these places, it's going to become 2000. Let's take an example, change this one from here to here, here to here. Now it's become 2347. Okay, now what happens? Now when I change the place value, okay, wherever the place of the value, then the value of the actual given number is going to get changes here. See, now what happens? Now 2347 became, actually it was 7342. So 7 into 1000 previously when a given number, okay, plus 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 2. Okay, but if I interchange these two, what happens? 2 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 7. So see the difference. It previously it was 7000. If I change the value, okay, if I change the places of the value also, actual value also get changes here. Okay, when come to the place face value, okay, irrespective of the place, okay, the value of the digit itself, that is nothing but that is a face value. The place value means it is a value of a digit according to its position. If the position changes, it value will change. Example is this. Okay, then this is a way we're going to differentiate what is the place value, what is the face value, and what is a face value here. Can you take one more example? What happens? See, we'll take the same example 7342. We'll try to interchange the numbers from here to here. Okay, here to here. So what happens now? 7, we have interchange, we are swapping these two numbers. In the place of 3, we're going to replace with the 4. In the place of 4, we're going to replace with the 7. So, okay, now what happens? 7000, previously it was 342, but if I interchange these two places of the value, now actual value will going to get changes here. 7432. Okay, now almost this is a change we're going to get it here. So it is a value of a digit according to its position. When a position changes, the value also will going to get changes for this one. This is about the place value and face value and place value. Thank you.